Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got another freshwater engine here today. This is going to be a 1998 90 horse Johnson 2-stroke. This one has the VRO deleted. You will mix the fuel and oil in the gas tank. Let's see here. This is obviously going to be a remote. Let's see, 120 psi on 2 cylinders and 130 psi on the other 2 cylinders. It's within 10%. I'm happy with it. I don't want to go pull it apart and see if there's anything in there. We did scope the cylinders. There's no scoring in the cylinders or anything like that. So I have no worries about this engine at all. We do a 30-day warranty on them. We guarantee them to be good running engines. I'm not going to ship it to California knowing that something's going to go wrong in 30 days. I'm not going to do it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube. Lower unit was pressure tested good, and the carburetors have been cleaned. The fuel lines on this engine has also been replaced. Had some bad fuel in it, so we completely went through the fuel system and got it all cleaned up. This one will come with the prop that is on it. I do have a binnacle mount control box running it right now. We'll most likely order in a good used standard side mount, and that way, depending on what you need, or if you don't need a control box at all, we can remove that off the price. Just let me know. We'll go ahead and get this engine fired up here. I am going to turn the fan on here. Pumping good water here. All in all, for a 98, it's in pretty clean condition. Go ahead and bump it in forward. I got short cables, so I can only get so far away from it here. It is going to cavitate a little bit in the tank. That's just part of running engine in a tank. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. Shut the fan off here so you can actually hear me. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Make sure to check out our website, bmr1.com, for all our used inventory. Thank you and have a great day.